Welcome. In this video I will show you how to change LG TV region settings. First of all, select the gear icon on your home screen to open quick settings menu, then select the gear icon once again to go to all settings menu list. Alternatively, you can just hold down the gear button on your remote control. After that, go to General, and in General navigate down to System. Then in System you will find Location. Go to Location, and here you can change the broadcast country, the LG services country, and weather location setting. Now for the first two options, you're gonna have to select your country from the list, and once you do that, the changes will be applied. And for weather location setting, you're gonna have to enter your town name manually. So let me just enter it. Okay, that's enough. Then select it from the available options, and then the weather services will be adjusted for your region. And so that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.